because you're watching this video, I know that you're looking for more. I know because I too have been in your shoes. I myself have wasted countless hours digging through YouTube and Instagram tutorials, searching for that missing piece of the puzzle that was holding me back from unlocking my next target. And if you're anything like me, chances are you don't want to waste another second building bad habits that take you even further away from reaching your goals. You want to work smarter, not harder, so that you can look back 6 months from now and be totally blown away by your transformation.
I can do a handstand now. I mean, that's just, it's insane. I'm someone who's never even played a sport in my life. And I was someone who didn't go to gym until I was 25, and I'm just 28 now. So it's like only 3 years and I can do a handstand now.
Deep down, you know that in order to achieve your dreams, be it performing a jaw-dropping contortion act, winning that next level pole competition, hosting your own yoga, handstand, or flexibility retreat, or simply uncovering the amazing skills your body is capable of, you need coaching, guidance, and a support system that will hold you accountable and set you on an accelerated path to success. Hi, I'm Shelly Airey, and I'm a professional contortionist, hand balancer, aerialist, and founder of ShellyFLEX Athletics. And FlexEd is the most comprehensive online handstand, flexibility, and contortion coaching program in the world. What sets this exclusive program apart is that we're focused on you. Our amazing team of professional coaches and I will be by your side every step of the way, giving you personalized feedback, guidance, and direction tailored to help you hit your goals and pull off skills you never dreamed possible.
What I'm doing now, I never would have even dreamt it.
You guys are gonna make me cry.
All your instructors are so awesome.
And they're so patient, and like not even what they do during class, but like after class, and all the help that we get, that they don't have to do.
My signature FlexEd method has helped hundreds of students, beginners and professionals, to achieve new levels of flexibility, strength, and body awareness. Better yet, nearly all of our students have experienced significant results in just the first 14 days of enrolling. Here's how the FlexEd method works and how it drives these insane results to our students. The F stands for foundation. When you join the program, you'll be greeted with an in-depth one-on-one game planning session to identify the roadblocks standing in your way and to create a foolproof training plan to set you on a path to knocking your goals out of the park. That means no more wasting hours trying to figure out what you should do or how to do it. The L stands for learning the steps. Now that you have a clear vision as to how to break through your barriers and achieve your goals, you need to know the precise action items necessary to make your dreams a reality. Inside your members-only portal, you'll find every skill, drill, and exercise broken down into easy-to-understand steps, ranging from beginner to advanced flexibility, inversions and handstands, and even contortion skills and combinations.
I love the course content. The way that it was laid out, it was easy to follow.
Armed with knowledge and fueled with determination, you are now ready to execute and see exponential results.
I could now do things that I used to be too afraid of. You probably have a lot more goals that you didn't even think possible or were in the realm of possibilities because you don't know yet what you're capable of doing.
Here's a glimpse of how we'll ensure you're executing every drill and exercise correctly with step-by-step guidance. We've got a huge variety of live, small group classes in which you'll have professional coaches correcting your form and providing you with feedback to make sure that every move, no matter how small it is, gets noticed. Expect to be challenged and pushed out of your comfort zone because our coaches are passionate about unlocking our students' full potential. During these classes, we will take an even closer look at your technique, give you feedback on how to improve it, and answer any questions you might have to help you master the skills you've always wanted to learn.
Handstands on the beach, like, ugh, everybody wants a handstand picture on the beach, come on, like, and I'm doing that a few weeks later.
And to further contribute to your success, keep you accountable, and push you out of your comfort zone, we have our client success manager, Ryan, who also happens to be my amazing husband, who is dedicated to keeping you motivated, focused, and staying on track. At first, we didn't know how well this would work, but our students are absolutely loving having this next level of support and accountability, and I know you will too.
It makes me feel good knowing that I have someone in my corner always that will always cheer me on and always motivate me.
Our method guarantees that your training is as efficient and effective as possible. Exponential results are not just about doing more complex poses with ease, but also about growing out of your comfort zone and being proud of what you've achieved in such a short amount of time. The confidence, empowerment, and resilience you will build through going through this journey will change your life for the better. And because everything is better when it's shared, you will get access to our private Facebook group, filled with ambitious and supportive students just like you. Inside the group, you'll be able to ask questions, request feedback on your training videos, compare trials and tribulations, and of course, celebrate your accomplishments with your fellow thrill seekers who are equally as passionate, or dare I even say, obsessed as you are.
And say fight. Yes! Riz, that was so good! Yes!
Our community thrives on lifting each other up as we embark on this journey together to unleash our body's true potential. Now, get ready to be blown away by the last part of our program, explore and discover. You may be asking yourself, what could be better than an all-inclusive training program that takes you from zero to hero? 3 words, in-person retreats. Join us in person for an unmatched, luxurious training experience available only to our FlexEd students. You'll get the chance to meet and say hi to all of your friends inside of the FlexEd community, get in-person coaching and spotting, and have a great time going out and exploring new horizons. Our retreats include long weekend getaways, intimate small group weekend traincations at my house with just you, me, and 2 or 3 of your FlexEd friends, or even a week-long retreat hosted in stunning locations such as our latest retreat in Riviera Maya, Mexico. Now, just in case that wasn't enough, we also have tons of exciting bonuses if you book your free strategy session today. These bonuses include specialty courses on nutrition, injury prevention, and partner acrobatics, weekly wellness classes on taking care of your mental health, and unlimited access to over 1,000 class replays. As you can see, the FlexEd program truly is one of a kind. Reserve your spot by booking a free strategy session below. We can't wait to learn more about your unique goals and come up with a game plan to help you knock them out of the park. I'll see you inside.